Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. We're at more than the halfway point of this course. It's going by very, very quickly. Thank you to all of you who were able to provide me information about the glitches that we're having with the quizzes and the correct answers. I am working with IT and hopefully it's solved. I will let you know if we have any other issues. If you have issues, continue letting me know. It's very, very helpful, and we will get to the bottom of it and get it fixed for everyone. So for Unit 3, you did a very nice job looking at each other's, reviewing each other's hot topic presentations, the ones that were due this week, and then asking questions and providing feedback. And the people who did the presentations responding with even more information. So I really enjoyed reading everything and watching everything this week. It was wonderful. For week 4, we're going to continue with the hot topics. So it's the same as it was for week 3. Whoever is assigned in week 4 should post their hot topic presentation, including voiceover, to the hot topic discussion by midnight on Wednesday, and then everybody has that opportunity to respond to their peers over the course of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and by Sunday night. So I look forward to seeing more of our hot topics. For this week, we are going to look at High Scope and Perry Preschool Project, which was an answer to one of our quizzes, and Head Start. So what you're going to be doing for your review of information is you're going to be reading some plan review ideas with regard to High Scope. You're going to be looking at High Scope in a little bit more detail. You're going to be looking at Head Start, some quick facts from the Office of Head Start. You'll get into eClick, which is the Head Start sort of information center, which has some great resources. And then doing a little bit of exploration about early Head Start. And there's also, in addition to the links, a document that is a brief history of the changes in the Head Start program. There are a couple of videos for you to watch. So those are all of your learning materials for this week. And let's see, we do have 2 quizzes this week, as we've had in previous weeks. So you will do that. And again, hopefully we've worked out the issues with the quiz correct answers, which you should be able to see when all of the quizzes are graded. So on Sunday night, when the quiz closes, you should be able to see all of those answers. We do have our meetup on Sunday evenings at 7:30. Just for clarification, these are optional. You do not need to attend. They are there if you would like to meet any of your peers in this class or the other section of this class that I'm teaching, or ask me questions or have a conversation. So we do have that 40 minutes set aside every week. That again is optional for you to use. So I look forward to hearing from all of you in our hot topic discussion this week. And I will get your quizzes back to you as soon as possible. I think you noticed that I do grade them throughout the week. So if you get them in early, I do tend to grade them early. And I hope all of you have a wonderful week. Take care.